Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Then again 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay. Now 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, okay? And then last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? Now, first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? So 14 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12, okay? Is equal to 14 minus 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24, because here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve subtraction, okay? So now 14 multiplied 24 is equal to minus 10. So the correct answer is minus 10, okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.